a problem. Why you call police a serious time? Them not run no joke. Once them ask for your document and you have the right document, them a lock up you. And then when them lock up you, me love them up and you over to ICE custody. Why do you call police? Real mascot. But tikki I idiot, you see my clown. You see my clown? You see I really mascot that? No boy can turn me in a puppy show and clown a blood clot. Him no like him, I use him. Because he's a welcome mat. I use the boy, I use tikki. Them I use him. For followers and views and everything. User. Tikki make O'Neal apologize. Oh, me need apologize to nobody a blood clot. I use the boy, I use him, my love. So, all they make up a Nurse Brown bring down Trevv Panny live last night. Nurse Brown and O'Neal bring down Trevv Panny live last night, my love. I use him. He come like Richard. Richard so fine tikki. Richard, watch and see, I swear upon my life. Your son, Richard go over tikki live. Tikki them don't know what is love. Him don't know what is love. Your son, Richard go over there. Welcome, man. Them I use him in a foreign and I abuse him. No boy when me and them me have to go them yard. Me have to go at them yard. Me have to pass through them door. Tikki go take up a man who can help you, you idiot. Take up one man. You should have find one man who can help you and give you something right now. Go find one man who can give you something right now. We can help you. We can blood clot stand up in our country for you and get certain things. So you know no sense to say you're idiot. Me not there with no blood clot, boy. Me and him go cross the border blood clot. Me not come no asylum seeker. You're crazy. Me not there with no asylum seeker. You're mad. Me not there with none. Because first and foremost, me cannot marry to an asylum seeker. It does make no sense. What papers me I go get? No, the same papers they have. They not have no citizen. So me not marry to an asylum seeker. Any man me marry to, and somebody were born in the country. And any man me meet, and somebody were born in the country. You're idiot, you're a clown, you're a mascot. You're a puppy blood clot, show me love. You're a clown. You're do with a man who born in the country. Me not fall in love with them. Me not fall in love. You can't do with the asylum seeker now. It not go make no sense. You know worthy. Somebody when no papers. You and the man no papers. Go find a man that have papers. Me not do with them. It not go make no sense. What if they married? Or they can't married? Two asylum. Two somebody when no papers can't married. You never know that? No? You need document to married. You can't marry to a man who have papers. Two asylum seekers can't marry them. We don't have papers and I go make the sense. You find a man who can take you away and give you things. And that you do, you find a man who can't give you anything. And you see tikki, in mouth and a film. Everything in chat. Every single thing in chat. Everything. Tikki chat everything. Tikki cannot be trusted. You can't tell tikki no one in no ball it out. Everything in chat. Every single thing in chat. Me I tell you. Oh, when they call me a record, me put him pan. Me hear me now head and talk. Him call me the other day, me put him pan record. Cause me know, oh, tikki go come out and say, oh, me a class people with him. Oh, you can't say me a class people with a blood clot, record, yeah. See them, right now my blood clot for me. Turn on my record, my love. Cause, oh, him chat everything.